Hey, today I wanted to share about my most recent project called Rescraper. Stands for Real Estate Scraper. Um, anyway, it has a simple login right here. Very small common, or like there's only two emails and two passwords that are allowed here. So I'm not having this open just because I don't want people to continually scrape. That's not good for like my Google Sheet API, the Google Sheet API, or for just the site that it's scraping. But basically, I wanted to talk a little bit about the project first, and then I'll show you how it works. I'm not going to get into the code in this video because I'm going to post the GitHub link. So if you want to check out the code, you can go on there. If you have questions about it, please feel free to reach out. But otherwise, like, add comments, share the video if you really want to. I don't know, whatever. Thanks for watching. So again, so this is Real Estate Scraper. Basically, the problem we had was I was spending an hour to 2 hours every night or every other night, kind of looking through Zillow, trying to find houses. I've just recently started a business where I'm flipping houses, and so we were constantly looking for deals and constantly looking. And spent so much time. I just sit there on my phone for hours just looking. So this scraper, what it does is it finds properties according to the exact search criteria that I'm interested in, which are houses that have been on the market for more than 45 days, um, and are on the MLS. And so that means like a realtor has put them up there. They're in the areas that I'm interested in, so the zip codes I'm interested in. They are all at least um, 2 bed or 3 bed, 2 bath, um, and like I think over 1,000 square feet at least. So anyway, so it's all that stuff to fit we call it a buy box in real estate, to match the things that I'm interested in. So this solved that problem. So anyway, like I was saying, here's the login. Pretty simple standard login. You can see right here it says WebSocket connection established, and that's because I'm uh, using a WebSocket to send messages from uh, or send messages back and forth so that we can update the user of where the scraper like is in the process, and also right here in the console. You can see that this is on fly.dev, this is fly.io. So this is the actual hosted one. So we're going to click login. Boom, we got a message already, authentication successful, which is great. So right here, this is where the WebSocket comes in to play. Um, this is where the messages are going to pop up. They're also going to pop up here in the console. So I have already cleared out my Google Sheet so you could see it happen in real time. But I'm going to click scrape, and I'll show you a few of the messages that pop up, and then I'm going to go back to the other tab so we can watch the data pop. So these are some things that it's doing. We're going to go here. Sorry, it went really quick this time. So we're looking, there's nothing here, and then you'll see a flash, boom. So initially the flash you got was all the raw data, and then immediately it was reformatted to how I wanted it. So like the listing links were just giant URLs that you probably saw. This was all bolded because these are bolded, so it tries to bold the data, and I don't want that. So um, so anyway, yeah. So it basically reformatted it, put it right here. Um, and this calculates the asking, or pulls the asking price that they're asking for, the offer price we're willing to offer, which is 70%, how many rooms, beds, square footage, the address, the MLS number, so my partner slash realtor can also find it, and then or can find it quicker. And then we have the listing link right here, which has the URL, just reformatted into a hyperlink. All right, so let's go back here and see what the scraper did. So these top 4 steps are just when it goes to the website. These are things it has to do to get all the data on the page. It scrapes the data by class name or by whatever selector I'm able to figure out to find whenever I'm on the site. And then it updates the Google Sheet. And then at this point, this fires off after that function fired off that filled the whole Google Sheet. And then we get scraping completed, WebSocket connection closed. And then again, in the spirit of not pressing this button a whole bunch of times, we're going to reload the page and start all over. There's no reason that we should just continually run the scraper or like run it just over and over and over, because there's not going to be more listings on here. It might be another day and then there will be 3 more listings or something. So tomorrow I can hit it again, but there's no reason to do it again. So if we were to want to do it again, we could reload the page, and you start the whole process over again. So, like I said, this is solving a problem for my business. Really excited about it. This is very helpful. It's already saved us a lot of time. And I'm also going to just throw out there, if you're somebody looking to get into the field of software engineering, like, find these kinds of problems and solve them. This is the stuff that people pay for. This is the stuff that helps. This is the stuff that gets you a job, is whenever people see that, like, how to solve problems for a business. You have marketable skills at that point. So, do stuff like this. And like I said, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit like. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. If you have questions about the code, you can reach out to me, or you can leave a comment here, whatever you want to do. But thanks again for watching the video. Have a good day. See ya.